guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Zoey here and we're going to be making sushi. Are you excited? Zoey loves sushi. I spent too much money on Zoey on sushi. So I decided to go ahead and buy a sushi kit and make sushi with Zoey so she can see the whole process of making sushi. We've never made sushi before. We always eat it, but we never made it. So I did go to the store and I picked up most of the ingredients that I think we need to make sushi. Hopefully it comes out the right way. I mean, all you need is cucumber, avocado, some carrots. We got some imitation crab meat. We got our nori. We also got our sushi kit, which you guys will see here later in the video. We got some chicken pot stickers because we always eat that with our sushi, some soy sauce, some seaweed salad that's also a side, and some little crunch bits to go on top of the sushi because I'm gonna try to make 2 different kinds of sushi. And we have our rice, which cooked in our little mini rice cooker. So Zoey, you ready?
Yes.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I already peeled my cucumber. I need to get it into the correct size, which I don't know what it is, but we're gonna figure it out. While I do that, Zoey, you need to get a spoon because I'm gonna cut the avocado and Zoey's gonna spoon it out and then I'm going to slice it. So while you go get a spoon, I'm gonna cut down this cucumber, okay? Okay, so let me cut it in half.
Take all that.
Yeah, so all you need to do is, oh, it's perfect. Yeah. Okay, and twist.
What is that?
That's the seed for the avocado. Because that's the seed, I don't know, girl. Okay, so you're just gonna go, I'm gonna show you real quick. You're gonna go around the edges and gently go around and then it'll come out. Just don't cross over the knife, girl. So I'm just gonna cut this cucumber in half. Do it over the counter so it don't fall on the floor. I have no idea what size these cucumbers are supposed to be, but I think I'm cutting this wrong. Hold on, let's just do this first. Okay, now scoop it, now turn it around and see if it'll, girl, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not cutting this right. So I'm just cutting the cucumber. No, let's just do one because we don't know how many we're gonna need. I'm just cutting the cucumbers lengthways. It's a terrible cut, But I'm trying to get it to where it's not super thick, but then it's not super thin either. I am not a chef.
You are.
No, it's so hard to cut cucumbers, they're slippery.
Not a sushi.
Yeah, not at, well, thank you. Not at sushi, she says. Thank you for that. To you, girl, to you. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the carrots. I'm gonna cut them fairly, like, I got them already pre-cut, like carrot sticks, but I feel like they're too thick for sushi. So I'm gonna just make them a little bit thinner. I'm gonna cucumber next, a little rabbit. Our goal is try to make 2 successful rows, and then we're just gonna heat up our pot stickers. Okay, I think that's enough carrots. So we're gonna add the carrots to the plate. And lastly, we can cut the beautiful avocado that Miss Zoey scooped out for us. So I'm gonna slice it like that. That's what I was supposed to do with the cucumber. And make.
That looks so easy.
So while we're finna get ready to make our sushi, I'm gonna go ahead and get our pot stickers on. And I just wanna warm them up, so I'm gonna put the heat on low with a little bit of oil. And once the oil comes to the right temperature, I'm going to just go ahead and stick our pot stickers in because they're already fully cooked. They just need to be reheated. And our cute little rice maker has made our rice for us. So yay.
Make sure if you're doing this, have a grown-up come help you.
Yes, good job, Zoe. Alrighty, because the rice cooker can get hot and you have to use a really, really sharp knife. So you guys see, we have our mini rice cooker, and I bought this rice cooker from Amazon. I believe it was $20-some, but I'll definitely leave the link to the mini rice cooker. So I already made the rice earlier. I just used some jasmine rice that we had in our house already, and I just put it in the rice cooker, cleaned the rice, and turned it on. This rice cooker is super easy and really cute. And as far as storage, it's so small, it can kind of fit in any cabinet. And as far as the sushi making kit, I purchased this also from Amazon for about $20-some as well. I will leave a link for this down below. It comes with 2 sushi mats, a spatula, and some chopsticks, and some instructions on how to make sushi. So now me and Zoe are going to go ahead and start assembling our sushi. You're messing me up. Come on. The first thing, we're gonna take our nori. I hope I'm saying that correct. It's the seaweed. Yeah, it's like the green stuff that be on the outside that you always like to eat last with the rice. Yummy. She says it smells like nothing. One for me. Hold on, girl. Okay. Then I'm gonna do it because the rice cooker is still a little warm. So we're gonna just grab some rice. See, the rice is still hot. So if you don't like hot sushi, make sure you cook your rice before. So you wanna spread the rice, but you wanna leave a border on the edges, okay? So I'm gonna put the rice, and then you can spread it with your spatula. This one, the wood one. The big one. No, the big one. Here. And the mini rice cooker makes the perfect amount of rice, especially for sushi, or if you live by yourself or you're doing a little date night. It makes a perfect amount for a serving of 2, probably 3, depending on how much rice you like. Oh, it's so sticky. Okay, the one thing I totally forgot to do is cut the imitation crab into pieces. So let's pause. Put mine over there. Hold on. See, this is what I'm saying. We don't know what we're doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut our sushi. Let's put our roll over there. This one is mine because it feels looser than Zoe's. Zoe's is tighter. Jealous. I'm gonna cut the little edges off. Neither one of us knows how to use these. We don't know. Let's try.
Does it use 2 fingers? I think I got it.
Okay, something like that, yeah. I'm gonna do it in a sushi sauce.
Me too. This is hard. How do I do it?
Just use your hand. Mmm.
I want to taste it.
Is that good? Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us making sushi. I think we did a pretty okay job for our first time ever making sushi. What do you think, Zoe?
It was good and it looks delicious.
It does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Zoe.
Bye guys.
Since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.